All right, here we are back with the 68 mil truck. I can see lights are on. We got the battery, everything tacked into it. So as you can see, the display lights and stuff are on for it. Pull the, we're using the factory truck light control as well as the ignition onto it, as well as the wiper control too on it. But as you can see, headlights are on. Tail lights are on. So let's fire her up. There's the priming. Ooh, and there she is. I'll take you down here so you can take a listen. Sweet, sweet music. Good old rumble. And that's just with the mufflers removed on it, so it's still got both cats on either side. Yeah, there she is. And that sound's just coming from the mufflers moved, so there are 4 cats. I'm sorry if you can't hear me very well, but there are 4 cats on each side, an upper and a lower and stuff on it, so. True dual exhaust on it. Super sweet. There she is.